even tried anything with me now. Give me one arm. One foot in.
God have mercy.
I'm on arm, one foot. Okay, now give me his hand. Okay, now get ready to sit on
Hi,
that chair.
everybody. Can you believe I'm doing this?
Sit in your chair and leave it one foot.
Richie.
What about the shirt? That's not going to be lifted up.
Okay, can we go like this?
Sit down and then you
No.
talk. Then you talk.
No.
Okay.
No. No.
Are you going if you'll sit down, it's going to quit wobbling.
Okay, here.
Give me your back.
No, you gotta get both sides.
Okay, ready?
Now, if that ain't funny, I don't know what is.
Right. Stop push you out. With your paddle.
Give me a paddle.
Okay. Hold that.
Yes, sir.
Now,
I'm paddling now.
when I push you in the water, don't go side to side.
No.
You ready?
Yeah. Push, baby, push. Push like you mean it.
Now paddle. We're going to hit the bank on the other side.
I think your paddle's upside down.
Come this way, though. That's a dead end.
My paddle's upside down. Woohoo, Batman. I'm rocking now.
You better than you are, Mama.
I know. Don't you hate that? You done better than I did.
And I ain't even off the bank yet. I'll need an ice cold beer in an open lake.
Come on, Cherry.
You
going?
You don't want him in there.
Are you going?
It'll tip you over, I promise.
Gonna make you strong.
They won't let you go, Chew. She can do it
You
good.
gotta
Set.
send
She
me
can
this
ride.
video now, okay?
Huh?
So she's gonna send me this video.
Alright,
Uh-oh, I'm gonna hit bottom.
top of that rope right there, you just unflip it right there. Unhook it off of that. There you go.
Oh, that's a good way to come, though. I didn't drag by.
That's because you went a little quicker.
Huh?
Because you went a little quicker. Oh, crap, I'm hit bottom.
Oh, shit. Go toward the rim. Go real close to the rim.
You might have to use your hands to put.
Ryan,
There you go.
come on, baby, get her.
I'm coming. But paddle this side.
That means I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna go down the river.
You can go that way.
Yep.
You got paddle back. Up river.
Come on, Cindy, we're gonna cruise down the river. How's that?
I'm on the water. I'm on the bottom.
Gonna kayak down the river today.
Okay.
Thank you, youngins. I've never done this, and it's fantastic. I think I'm going the wrong way, Batman.
So, yeah, the one side. But your paddle's wrong. Turn it. Where you can see the ladders. There you go.
We'll be back about 2 hours or so. Kids show up, tell me.
Y'all gonna have to paddle back upstream.
Oh.
Oh, God, that's wrong. I knew there was something about this deal I didn't like.
We won't go that far.